Hello and welcome to today's Free Flow, a blend of EFT tapping and Qigong to move you through the heaviness in today's world and come to a place of peace so you can spread love, unity, and light wherever you go. So if that sounds good to you, find a quiet place to practice and we will begin. We will begin with some meridian tapping, so simply tap where I tap and repeat after me. This is to help us release this mindset, let go of this weight, so that we can make a difference in the world and within ourselves. Starting on the inner eye. Even though things in the world feel really heavy right now, outer eye, things feel scary and uncertain. Under eye, and I am caught between sadness, frustration, anger, and fear. Upper lip, I feel like I have no control of what's going on. Chin, I am just stuck watching hate spread like wildfire. Collarbone, and I feel helpless and small watching what's happening all around me. Side of the body, so even though this hate feels so loud, top of the head, I choose to gently release this weight so that I can spread love that is way louder. Squeezing the wrist 3 finger widths down, both sides, taking a deep breath in, and exhale, releasing and letting go. One more time, deep breath in through the nose, and exhaling out, letting go. So let's go ahead and release this weight from ourselves, from the collective, so that we can become this beacon of love. So coming into center, crossing arms at chest, and opening to the side. As you go to the side, letting out a ha, inhaling center, and exhaling to the side. Doing a rapid breath as you release all these heavy emotions through the breath and through the body. And begin to slow down. And coming to center. Further releasing by coming up on your toes, tensing all of your muscles within your body. Slamming down on your heels as you let out an exhale. Inhale up on your toes, tensing up. Slamming down, letting that vibration go through the body as you exhale. Releasing the fear, the worry, the frustration, whatever emotion that seems to be consuming you, that's not doing any good. Inhaling and slamming down as you release and exhale. Last time, up on your toes, tensing your muscles and slamming down and letting go. And finishing up your release work with a slight bounce in your knees, letting your arms go limp by your side. Just giving yourself a nice shake, vibrating through the body as you turn from your waist side to side. Begin to slowly bring your arms up, little by little, as you continue to shake until they are overhead. And then begin to bring them back down. And begin shaking lower as you continue to rotate back and forth. You can continue exhaling out through the mouth with a sigh as you shake and working your way back up. Hands now at waist level. And coming to center, shaking a little bit faster. And stopping as you pause here for a moment to regulate your breath and just feeling into your body. Coming in for our second round of tapping, starting on the inner eye, even though there still is darkness in this world. Outer eye, I choose to be the light. Under eye, breathing out fear. Upper lip, releasing judgment. Chin, because I choose peace. Collarbone, I choose compassion and love. Side of the body, I choose to become a beacon that is so bright. Top of the head, allowing my love, compassion, and peace. Consume all else. Allowing your arm to float down, bringing your feet in shoulder width apart, arms softly crossing in front, bearing your weight on one leg as your arms float up, leg lifting, and slowly dropping back down. Keeping the weight on the one leg as you lift your arms even higher, and slowly dropping down, switching sides, bearing weight on opposite leg, arms float in front, spreading up just to shoulder width, back down, and arms flying overhead and floating down. Pairing with your breath, you'll inhale as you spread your wings and exhale as you softly come back down. Inhale as your arms softly float up and exhale as they float down. Here we are becoming the crane, spreading our wings, lifting our legs, allowing an inner peace, lightness, a deeper sense of connection to oneself and the universe. Repeating this a few times, really focusing on your breath, the lightness you feel in your body as you slowly lift your wings and gently come back down, as well as the feelings to rise above like a bird in flight. You're spreading your wings. Metaphorically, you're spreading your wings as you spread your love. So just feeling into that as you go through the motions. And adding on to our crane, we're going to lift our wings, lifting your leg, palms flex out, leg spins round, and pushing your arms back to open up the chest. Leg floats back down, repeating on the opposite side. Arms floating up, wrist flex out as your leg comes around, keeping balance, which can be tricky as you open up your heart and softly come back down. So inhaling up, exhaling push, And inhaling as you open your chest. And exhale down. It helps to keep your eyes focused on one thing, to keep your balance as you spin your leg around and open up your heart. Inhaling as you come up, exhaling, inhaling, expanding, and exhaling, floating down. One more time as you inhale up, exhale around, inhale, expand, and exhale down. Palms facing up at your center as you inhale up, rotating wrists as you push down and exhale. 2 more times, floating your arms up, palms come up, and exhaling down. Last time, scooping up and pushing down. Bring your hands to your center, palms facing up, one on top of the other. One hand coming up and scooping, pulling down the center, and switching sides. Hand scoops out and pulls down the center. Inhale as you scoop, and exhale as it comes through the center. And go ahead, focus on your breath and repeating this just a few times. One more time as you inhale, scoop, and exhale, come down the center, and allow arms to float down by your side. And we will come into our final round of tapping, starting on the inner eye. I am a vessel of peace. Outer eye, I radiate compassion. Under eye, I choose love over hate. Upper lip, I choose unity over division. Chin, I choose hope over despair. Collarbone, I send love to myself. Side of the body, I send love to others. Top of the head, peace begins with me. And I choose to spread that peace from me into the world. Allowing your hand to drift down by your side, pressing your hands on your pelvic bone as you swipe up the center of your body to your lower chin, taking a deep breath in and exhale out. Locking in everything good we just did today. Hopefully you enjoyed. Share with others so that we can allow our beacons to become so bright that we consume all else. Much love.